Okay, today we're going to talk about how all of this works, and we're going to start with Cup Day, which is one of our favorite days here on the ship. Peter, what's this all about?
So Cup Day is fun. What we do is we decorate these styrofoam cups, and we're going to do something special with them. We're going to send them to the bottom of the ocean. And in this bag of cups, we've got some extra special cups from Mr. Miller's kindergarten class back in Seattle.
Ooh, that is a big deal. And I have a cup here, one for my nephew, Nathan, and my niece, Vanessa, that I decorated. We're going to put this in. We put a piece of paper in the cup so it holds its shape. But Peter, what happens when it gets to a certain depth?
Well, you can imagine when we go really deep in the ocean, there's lots and lots of water piled above those cups. And that water's heavy, so the pressure gets really intense. And all the tiny little air bubbles inside the cups, they're going to get crushed down really small. We're going to see what happens, but I'm willing to bet that these big bags of cups here are going to get pretty tiny by the time we're done with them.
Awesome. Well, let me put these in here, add to this, and we'll see what happens.
Alrighty guys, this is what we're sending down to the bottom of the ocean. This is what we call the CTD. CTD measures the temperature of the water, so how cold it gets when it gets deeper, how salty it is, and from that we're going to figure also how deep we've gone in the ocean. So we're going to take our bag of cups, we're going to work with Katie, and we're going to go ahead and attach them to this.
Just going to attach them out of the way of all of our instruments is the most important thing. And then they're just going to strap right onto the CTD and go down with everything else. So we'll see what they look like when they come back.
How many cups is too many cups here?
This is close to too many cups, but
We'll make it work. Alright, so we got our bag of cups here. Oh, look at how tiny they are. Alright, so that's what they looked like before. This is what they look like after. James, you want to describe why this happened?
They shrank quite a bit. We sent them down to 3,000 meters, and that's intense pressure. So 30
football fields for these little cups. So that's the science of it all. Some pretty cool science, and that's how it works.